Hey there, guys. Chet here. Just imagine that you get a perfect email marketing tool that's designed for creators, bloggers, and podcasters, and it doesn't even seem complicated and overpriced. It helps you grow your audience and even monetize your skills, and all of this in a clean and intuitive dashboard. That's exactly what ConvertKit offers for online businesses to manage subscribers, create forms, and landing pages. It automates your email campaigns with customizable sign-up forms, subscriber management, and visual email automation builders. On top of that, ConvertKit enables creators to grow their audience, deliver valuable content, and produce deeper connections with their subscribers through email as the central tool for their business. So, if you're tired of switching to multiple tabs only to send a simple newsletter, then this video is for you. We will discuss what ConvertKit actually is, how it works, and how it is going to be a game-changing tool for you and for your business. But before going further, if you find this video helpful and would like to support the channel, I've included my affiliate link for ConvertKit down in the description. So let's get started. ConvertKit, now known as Kit, is an all-in-one email marketing and audience growth platform that is specifically made for creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. It is like a blessing in disguise, really, for people who want to grow their online presence without being exhausted by overly complicated tools. Originally, it is used to collect email subscribers, send out professional newsletters, and build automated email sequences. Not just that, it can even sell digital products or paid subscriptions directly to your audience. Among its other amazing features, what makes ConvertKit stand out is its creator-first approach. It provides a professional platform for every kind of business by focusing on writers, coaches, YouTubers, podcasters, and online educators. It really gives them what they actually need: a simple but powerful tool to grow an engaged audience and then monetize that connection. ConvertKit guides you through the natural journey of an online creator. At first, grow your audience through landing pages, forms, and integrations. After that, you send emails consistently, whether it's one-time broadcasts or automated sequences. Then you can automate the whole experience with visual workflows that move subscribers through different paths based on what they do. And then finally, you can earn by offering digital products, courses, paid newsletters, or even sponsorships. All of this within ConvertKit itself, without switching to multiple third-party apps every time. To put it simply, ConvertKit is not just email software, it's a streamlined system that helps you build trust, grow relationships, and turn your audience really into a sustainable business. To use it, go to the ConvertKit website and you will hop onto a dashboard. To create an account, put your name, email, and password. Then click on Get Started. Here you go. It will now ask you whether you're using another newsletter or email marketing tool in your business. Here you will find two options. The first one is, no, I am just starting one. And the second one is, yes, I am moving from another tool. Let's go for the first option. Go ahead and click it. Then it will ask how big your audience is, with options from 1,000 to even 100,000. The audience can be subscribers on YouTube and followers on Instagram. Let's set the audience from 50,000 to 100,000. Now, after that, you'll land on the next page, which is where you can share the link to your website or social media page. Then click on the Continue option. On the next page, you are going to be asked to share your newsletter or brand name. Here, set up your business name, and then on the next page, choose a custom domain. Then on the next page, you will be asked what kind of creator you are and what your niche is. You can actually set up to 3 niches here. Now let's suppose you choose influencer, streamer, and YouTuber from the given options. After choosing them, click on the Continue option. Now on the next page, you can upload your profile picture or brand logo. You can upload one, or you can choose the option, I will do this later. Then click on the Continue option, and then soon you'll land on a page where your chosen bio will be written about an influencer, streamer, and YouTuber. Then click on the Continue option. That's it. Welcome to Kit. Here, click on the Get Started option given below. You will land on the main dashboard of Kit with many features. Let's have a look at the features, what the purpose of each of them are, and their abilities. Now, the first thing ConvertKit focuses on is helping you grow your audience. Specifically, the Grow section is all about attracting new subscribers and managing them in a way that makes sense for you. It starts with the basics. There are subscribers, creator profile, landing pages, and forms and recommendations in this section. Now, subscribers, that's the people who sign up for your list, but ConvertKit doesn't just treat them as email addresses. It also lets you add layers of context through tags and segments. Tags are simple labels that you can apply like downloaded ebook or attended webinar. And this way, you can track exactly what each person has engaged with. On the other hand, segments, they're more like smart filters. You can build a segment that says, show me all subscribers who joined in the last 30 days, or only show me subscribers who clicked the link about. This way, your list is always organized and easily accessible. But ConvertKit doesn't just offer these features. In the Grow section, you get tools for building forms and landing pages. These are the entry points for people to actually join your audience. If you have a website, you can add simple forms directly on your site. If you don't have a website, then there is no problem. ConvertKit provides you with hosted landing pages with different templates that you can share with just one link. These are designed for creators who want to start capturing leads immediately without worrying about coding and design. And the best part? You can attach lead magnets like a free PDF or mini course so that as soon as someone signs up, ConvertKit automatically delivers that resource. Then at the end, there is the recommendations feature, which allows you to recommend other creators to new subscribers, and you get a system where your list can grow organically through partnerships. That too, without relying on ads or constant effort. To put it simply, the purpose of the Grow section is simple. It gives you every tool you need to add new people to your world and keep them organized from day one. After you build an audience from the Grow section, the next step is communication. And that's where the Send section comes in. This is where you will write and deliver the actual emails that your subscribers will see. ConvertKit keeps it very straightforward with some main tools here: broadcasts, email, templates, sequences, and snippets. A broadcast is a one-off email that you send to your list. It can be like a weekly newsletter, an event reminder, or an announcement. You can choose who receives it by using tags and segments, and you can even exclude people to avoid sending irrelevant information. The email editor is clean and easy to use. ConvertKit doesn't try to be flashy or crazy design tool. Instead, it focuses on helping you write in a personal human voice so that your emails feel like real conversations, not corporate newsletters. After that, there are email templates to use as a starting point in your emails. Here you can choose any template of your choice. Then there are sequences. Simply, it is a sequence, so it's a series of pre-written emails that go out automatically over time. For example, when someone signs up for your lead magnet, you can drop them into a 4-day welcome sequence. In this sequence, day 1 delivers the freebie, day 2 introduces you, day 3 shares a helpful tip, and day 4 offers your paid product. You write it once, and every new subscriber experiences it as if you personally wrote to them step by step. You can also use links inside of these emails. So if someone clicks on a link about a specific topic, ConvertKit can automatically tag them, letting you know exactly what they're interested in. The purpose of the Send section is really to make it easy to stay in touch with your audience regularly. Additionally, it ensures an automated system that introduces new subscribers to your world in a consistent and professional way. Then comes the Automate section of Kit, which really separates itself from a lot of other email tools. It is very helpful for you to manage your workflows and enhance your business growth. This section really is all about creating workflows that connect your Grow and Send efforts together. Instead of manually tagging people, adding them to sequences, or remembering to stop certain emails, ConvertKit does it for you through visual automations and rules. The visual automations feature is like a canvas where you can literally map out the journey a subscriber takes. It's like building your entire marketing workflow on one screen. You can start your visual automation by clicking on the new automation option on the right side of the dashboard. Here, you can also delete your existing visual automations and upgrade to the creator plan for unlimited visual automations. For smaller tasks, the rules feature acts like an if this then that system. For example, if someone clicks a link in your newsletter about an advanced photography course, you can automatically tag them as interested in advanced course. If someone finishes one sequence, you can add a rule to add them to another. And if you publish content regularly, you can connect your RSS feed so that a new blog post or podcast episode automatically generates emails to your list. The whole process of the Automate section is to save you from manual work and make sure that your subscribers always get the right email at the right time. ConvertKit uses these automations to make the experience personalized and smooth while also saving your precious time. Another key feature of Kit is called Earn, which is really what you would expect. It's all about monetization. ConvertKit knows the need that creators don't just want to grow an audience for the sake of numbers. Rather, they want to build an income from their work. That's why the Earn section exists at all. Here you can create and sell digital products directly inside of ConvertKit, whether it's an ebook, a template, a workshop ticket, or a course. On top of that, you don't need a separate e-commerce platform for this purpose. ConvertKit handles the entire process from payment processing to delivering the product to the customer. But that's not it. ConvertKit also allows you to run paid newsletters. Instead of giving everything away for free, you can set up a monthly or yearly subscription where readers pay to access premium content. This is incredibly powerful for writers, coaches, and educators who want a handsome income stream. And if you're just starting out, there's even a tip jar feature, basically a way for your audience to support you financially with smaller contributions. The best part about this is that every buyer or supporter automatically becomes part of your email list. It means that you can grow them further, build relationships, and eventually offer higher value products. The purpose of the Earn section is simple. It's built to turn your engaged audience into paying customers without any complicated third-party integrations. Now, beyond all these features, ConvertKit also offers a dedicated Learn section, and this is where they really get into supporting creators, not just giving them software. The Learn tab is like an educational hub loaded with resources to help you succeed with email marketing and audience building. Inside of that, you'll find tutorials, step-by-step guides, and even workshops that go deeper into strategies for growing your list, writing emails that convert, and launching products. Well, that's it. And that's ConvertKit in a nutshell. From growing your audience with simple forms and landing pages to earning directly from your subscribers, ConvertKit really gives creators everything they need in one place. If you've been looking for a tool that's powerful but still simple to use, ConvertKit is definitely worth trying. Start small, experiment with its features, and you'll quickly see how it can turn your audience into a real community and your passion into an emerging business. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.